Hello everybody, today I'm very happy to introduce 3 of our very special resin handle. This is the first one. We called it aliens, due to this part. This part has the aliens picture. And this is from the details you can see it is out of the earth in the space. Very nice. For the specification of this handle, the max height is about 36 millimeter. The max diameter, width diameter is about 40. Non-size is 26. The hair can be as you needed. Now on this handle is CN6. It also can be 六运 synthetic hair T4, A2S, or stereotype high mountain, or as you needed. Hope you like it. The second one is this, the lightning. You know the middle lines, like a lightning, so we call it lightning. The specification is the same as this one. CT6, the max width is 40 millimeter. The hair is CN6, the non-size is 26. You can have your logo at the bottom. I see the details of the handle. Very nice handle, very shiny surface. Hope you like it. Okay, the last one is a Chinese style handle. It is for this picture you can see is a man. It is a famous poet named Caocao. All the Chinese letters are one of his famous poetry. Very famous in China. We named this poetry named Guan Hai. Yeah, Guan Hai. Let's see the details. This is the whole shape. Hope you like it. The size, the max height is about 66. The max diameter is 43. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.